This is your 1-minute Miss Dog product show and tell. The Miss Dog mug is the perfect way to celebrate personal style while enjoying a favorite beverage. Miss Dog mugs are made of high-quality white ceramic with crisp and vibrant colors and a premium Orca coating designed to last for years. Whether it's a fun gift for yourself or that someone special, the Miss Dog mug is something that can be enjoyed and appreciated every day. Miss Dog mugs rock! Thank you for watching the Miss Dog product show and tell.
PJ Happy Art, give a smile.